AutoCAD 好容易 compared to Illustrator. Illustrator is very messy, layers and all that.
No standard lah.
Impossible for my team. At least AutoCAD I can even do the spacing also.
More
The
accurate
spacing
lah.
all the same as you can see here. 走楼 all the same. For Illustrator, it's very difficult to to measure and do all the spacing, all
Measurement is not correct. No parameter.
Because Illustrator is an artistic tool lah.
So Illustrator 而家我係 just 用 for drawing out weird shape weird shape or whatever then from there I take the shape itself 放落去 AutoCAD then I trace it out I redraw in